Okay, everybody, hello and welcome. My name is PG Mac, and I'm going to be showing you in the next 60 days how to get more value from your digital marketing goals. I hope that you're getting a lot of value out of them. And remember to click the subscribe button below if you would like to get notified in your inbox each day whenever a new video gets released. Okay, so without further ado then, let's get started. Day number 13, impact others. Again, it's an extension of what we talked about in day number 12. We really are impacting the lives of other people. So what we have to do is we have to articulate clearly. What I have to do as an Irish person is I have to slow down. I have to enunciate. I have to articulate. I have to, as my good friend and neighbor, now a speech coach in Toronto, in the beautiful country of Canada, she has always taught me to enunciate, to speak clearly, and to slow down, to slow down, because it is difficult for different people from different countries to decipher what I am actually saying if I speak too fast. So I apologize if I speak too fast. It's because I'm very passionate about this Yes, iCanDOur 8-step roadmap to digital marketing success. Okay, I am a digital marketing practitioner, and I practice, I learn. I think I will never stop learning until the day that I die. But I would like that to continue for as long as possible. I want to continue to impact people. I want to continue to show up like nobody else on this planet. And this is what I want for each and every one of you watching these videos. Click on the link above to go back and to watch the lesson on impact, the short video lesson. Okay, if you want the longer video lesson, click on the link in the comment section below. Okay, just below this video. And remember to like, to comment, and subscribe. Very important. Hello, everybody. And thank you once again for watching today's video. We hope you got a lot of value from it. Now, remember, we are social, and here are our contact details at the moment appearing on your screen. Now, remember, these are the 3 types of things that we do dramatically different in this wonderful world of digital marketing. We focus on 3 things: the power of video by leveraging the unique power of video in a dramatically different way. Number 2, we help you to build your list, even if you've got a very small list. And we also help you to retarget the people that are already on your list. Now, the 3rd thing that we help people to do is we help them to build a sales pipeline, something that we call a magic sales 11x funnel. And remember, everything is fully guaranteed by our 60-day super duper titanium plated money back one conditional guarantee. Don't forget about the one condition. You have to do the work. And also, here's the link for, as we promised at the beginning of the video, for our free 60-day video training series challenge. This is vts.icandour.net. And if you would like to book a free one-on-one strategy call, a business upgrade call with myself, PG Mac, here are the details. It's calendar.icandour.net. If you click on that link, then it will take you straight over to my calendar. And if you're lucky enough, there may be 1 or 2 slots still available to talk with me. Okay, those are the contact details once again. So we look forward to hearing from you. And please remember, reach out with any questions or comments that you may have. And remember to like us and subscribe, hit the little bell notification icon below. And we look forward to seeing you very much in tomorrow's video. Thank you once again. And this is me, PG Mac, saying peace out. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.